Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to concatenate a string in Oracle database. So at here I'm using Toad for Oracle and currently working on HR schema. So in this video I will discuss about two ways to concatenate the string. The first is with function or second is without function. So let's see a without function first. So at here first I'm going to show you about my table. So at here select star from. So I'm going to use employees table. So let's see the record inside employees table. So add here, this is the record inside employees table. Now here after, so I want to concatenate first name and last name without using function. So let's write the query. So add here, select and you're going to select first underscore name. Now here after let's use plus operator and hereafter last underscore name and here from the table name implies. So if you execute this query, see what happened. So and here I'm getting the error message. The reason of error message in Oracle database you cannot use plus operator for concatenation, but in SQL Server you can use. So and here to concatenate to a string without function, so we have to use to pipeline. Now after you can concatenate. So let's execute that. So see at your first name and your last name, it's concatenated. So if you wanna include at here, so if you wanna include the first name, let's write first name and hereafter last name. Now if you execute this query again, so see at here first name and last name Alan, Abel concatenated. So Alan, Abel displaying Sundar, Andy, Sundar and it's displaying at here Mossy Atkinson. It's a displaying Mossy Atkinson. So this is the way we can concatenate two or two string at here without using function. So hereafter in place of this, I don't wanna display these things. So at here let's use alias as and you're giving name. Now if you execute this query again, so in place of add here this all those things, it's displaying name. Now if you wanna concatenate, if you wanna concatenate more than or two columns, so add here you need to use alias add here. Alias. So add here I'm going to concatenate add here email. So let's include add here email. Now execute this. So see add here or the name it's a display. So first is here first name, last name and here going to give email. Now execute this again. So see add here first name, last name and email. So that here it's a three columns values concatenated. So these are the things. Now here after if you know concatenate. So concatenate. So add here going this three are add here this three are a string value. So now I'm going to concatenate with a string with add here employee ID. So employee ID is the integer type. So let's concatenate add here. Let's give add here employee ID. Employee underscore ID. Now here after first name I'm going to concatenate with employee ID. Now execute this query. So invalid id, okay, I forget to give I. Execute. So see right here. So it's concatenated. That means in Oracle database you can concatenate a string with integer values. Now here after, so this is the thing. So without using any function, we can concatenate more than two string or more than two columns in a table. Now here after let's use concat function. So at here let's use select and you're going to use concat function. So concat and you have to let's see the record inside employees. So I'm going to apply the concat function in first name and last name. First name and you give the comma and you have to let's give last underscore name and you use from and table name employees. Now let's execute that. So table okay EMPL double ES. So see at here the name concatenated. Now yeah let's give uh, alias name and here also going to write at your first name and here after last name last underscore name. Now execute that. See at your first name and last name concatenated with the help of concat function. Now hereafter I want to concat one more field. So at here let's see the records. So at your next I'm going to concatenate at your email. So if I'm going to include at your email, so let's see what happens. So at here I'm getting the error message invalid number of argument. So in Oracle database, so if you keep more than or two or columns or two values inside concat, two parameter inside concat, so you get the error message. So you cannot use these things, but in SQL Server you can use this kind of things. So how do we concatenate more than two or columns by using concat function? So we have to use at a embedded concat. So first we need to concatenate these two at one part and after so let's include at a one more concat. So concat and after let's give the bracket here. So yeah, so this bracket is for this one and after let's get extra bracket. So this bracket for here. So this is concatenating first name and last name. Hereafter that concatenate or this value end with email. Now let's execute that. Keyword from okay select as name or select first name concat first name last name email and here this bracket for this one. Okay, execute this one again. See at here we have to use embedded concat function to concatenate more than two columns. So see at here first name last name and let's include at here email. So include the email. So at here email these three columns are concatenated at here. Ellen, Abel, Abel, it's concatenated. Now here after if you now give some space. So I wanna make a space between the names. So at a, if I'm going to give at a single quote, a space, single quote, as uh, at a single quote, one more time, and close by semicolon. So definitely I will get error. So see at a invalid argument. So this kind of argument we cannot give. So for this, what we need to do at here, first use concatenate and here. So at here, let's use this one. So concat function generally accept two parameters. So see at here, this is the space. So this space I'm going to include with here. Now let's execute that. So see at here, the gap between first, the gap between last name and here email. So this is the way we can give the comma in Oracle database by using concat function. Now here after, let's see one more point. So and here I'm going to concat. So concat with null. So and here select and here. So going to select from. So let's use concat function and here. So going to concat with null. So null with 6. Okay, let's see what happened. So going to use dual table. Now here execute that. See enter concatenate null with 6. The output itself displaying or 6 only in Oracle database. Now here after let's give null at this point. Execute that. So see enter same output itself displaying. That means if you concatenate or any or two column values. So if there any null values found and null concatenate with any values, so it return values only, not the null. So null with null, so it will return only null. Execute that. So it's not returning anything at here. It means at here if not returning anything, that means it there's some null values. So these are the things about or concat function. So this video I discussed about how to concatenate two or more than two or a string with using function or without using function. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.